by Anna. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very easy recipe for cinnamon sugar cookies. So let's get started. So for this recipe, you require 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and salt, half cup plus 3 tablespoons of caster or powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of butter, 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Make sure that all your ingredients are in room temperature. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.